Welcome investors to a crucial look at Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, a company not just riding, but actively shaping the technological waves of our time. In an era dominated by artificial intelligence, powerful data centers, and high-performance computing, AMD stands at a pivotal point. Today, we're diving deep into their recent triumphs, what's on the horizon for the second half of 2025, and crucially, the risks and opportunities for your investment. Let's start with momentum. AMD's stock has shown significant upward movement through the first half of 2025, currently trading around $144. This isn't just hype, it's backed by solid performance. Their Q1 2025 financial results were impressive, a robust $7.44 billion in revenue, marking a substantial 36% increase year over year. More remarkably, their net income surged, pushing earnings per share up by an astounding 529%. The driving force? AMD's data center segment. This powerhouse saw revenue soar by 122% year over year, hitting over $3.5 billion. This surge is directly tied to the growing adoption of their Instinct MI300X GPUs by major players like Microsoft, Meta, and Oracle for their demanding AI workloads. While their gaming and embedded segments saw some expected declines due to market cycles, the overall picture shows AMD successfully shifting focus to high-growth areas. So, what does the second half of 2025 hold for AMD? Their outlook is clearly bullish, built on several strategic pillars. First, AI leadership. AMD isn't just participating in the AI race, they're pushing hard for a top spot. Their Instinct MI300X is already gaining ground, with Meta deploying it for their large language models like Llama 3 and 4. But the future is even more ambitious. AMD recently unveiled its aggressive AI chip roadmap. The Instinct MI350 series is set for broad availability in late 2025, promising up to 4x generational AI compute improvement. And looking ahead to 2026, we'll see the even more powerful Emery MI400 series. Second, AMD is investing heavily in its open AI ecosystem. This is critical. While NVIDIA has CUDA, AMD is championing ROCm, an open-source software platform designed to rival CUDA. ROCm 7, released recently, offers significant performance boosts and supports leading AI models. This open approach can attract a broader developer base looking for more flexibility. To accelerate this, AMD has made strategic acquisitions this year, bringing in expertise in AI software and cutting-edge silicon photonics for faster data movement within their systems. Finally, in the crucial server CPU market, AMD's EPYC processors continue to gain ground. They've captured nearly 40% market share in Q1 2025, steadily chipping away at Intel's dominance. This strong CPU base perfectly complements their GPU ambitions in the data center. Now let's talk about the challenges. Investing always involves risks, and AMD is no exception. 1. Intense competition. NVIDIA is the undisputed leader in AI GPUs. Their CUDA ecosystem is deeply entrenched. While AMD is innovating rapidly, catching up to NVIDIA's market dominance, especially in high-end AI training, remains a formidable task. Intel is also still a factor in the CPU space. Second, geopolitical headwinds. A significant concern is the U.S. export controls on advanced AI chips to China. AMD has already indicated a potential $800 million revenue impact in Q2 2025 due to these restrictions, which could continue to affect their margins. Any further tightening of trade policies or supply chain disruptions, particularly with TSMC in Taiwan, could have a considerable impact. 3. Execution, risk, and valuation. Successfully integrating new acquisitions and rapidly maturing the ROCm software stack are crucial. If AMD doesn't execute flawlessly, or if their new products don't meet their ambitious performance claims, it could impact their trajectory. Plus, AMD's stock trades at high valuation multiples, meaning a lot of future growth is already priced in. Any stumbles could lead to significant stock price volatility. So with risks in mind, what's the big opportunity? The sheer scale of the AI market growth, The global data center GPU market alone is projected to reach nearly $193 billion by 2034. AMD's strong position across CPUs, GPUs, and adaptive computing, combined with its open ecosystem strategy, means they're exceptionally well placed to capture a significant piece of this pie. Analysts are largely bullish, with median price targets in the high 200s, reflecting confidence in AMD's strategic execution and its long-term potential in this transformative era. For investors, AMD remains a compelling growth story. Considering its current position and future potential, a hold or accumulate strategy may be appropriate, depending on your risk appetite. Mark your calendars for August 5th, when AMD releases its Q2 2025 earnings. This will be a critical update on their performance and outlook for the rest of the year. Important disclaimer: this video provides general analysis based on publicly available information and analyst projections. As of July 11, 2025, AMD's Q2 2025 earnings have not been released. All financial results and future outlooks for the second half of 2025 are based on projections, current trends, and analyst expectations, and are not confirmed factual results. Investing in stocks involves risk, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.